Like many other languages, Rust uses functions as the basis for code reuse. Functions allow you to write chunks of code that can be called from other parts of your code. Let's take a look at how to define functions. Functions start with the keyword fn, followed by the function name, a list of arguments together with their types, all surrounded by parentheses, an optional return type, and a function body. There's some important things to remember about type annotations in functions. The types of arguments are always required. If the function returns a value, a return type is required as well. And finally, if the function does not return a value, then the return type defaults to unit, also known as the empty tuple. While we can explicitly write unit as a return type, there's no need to. Let's fill in the function we had before with a function body. Here we'll uppercase the input string and add an exclamation mark to it. You'll notice that we don't need to explicitly return the output value from our function with the return keyword. While Rust does have a return keyword that can be used to return values from functions, by default, the last value in the function body is the one to be returned. Calling a function is very straightforward. Here we'll create a new function, printExcited, which uses our exclaim function in its body. Simply write the name of the function, followed by parentheses and an argument. You'll notice our printExcited function doesn't have a return type since it doesn't return any value. The last line of our function is a call to println, which does not return value. Now that we've seen the basics of defining and calling functions, let's jump to a demo and see it all in action.